How to get link on Clickbank. So first, before you promote any products, you want to go to accounts and create a nickname. So I have a separate tutorial on this, but basically after you have created your nickname, this will be used to track all of your sales / commissions. So how to get link? You want to go to the affiliate marketplace. It will load up a new page. And right here, you can go through all of the offers. So for example, I'm going to click on top offers just for the sake of this tutorial, and I'm going to do this first one. So how you do it is basically you click on promote right here, and this is where you type your affiliate nickname. So this one that we just created, we want to type it here. So after you have typed in this, we can skip the tracking ID, and then all we gotta do is click on create hop link, and this is the link that will be used to track all of our commissions. So if we refer people, if they make a sale or if they make a purchase and you get the commission, this is the affiliate nickname which will be given the money, or the referral commission will be transferred to. So this is the account that will earn the commission. So that's how you create a link. Basically, you make a nickname and then you go right here, you choose a product to promote, click on promote, type your nickname, and then create hop link, and this is your unique link that will be tracked. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.